Today we're exploring the Boltzmann Factor Interactive Calculator, which solves statistical mechanics problems related to energy state distributions. Let's start with the calculation mode drop-down menu. You can calculate Boltzmann factor, population ratio, energy difference from factor, temperature from factor, partition function, or state occupancy probability. For this demonstration, I'll select Calculate Boltzmann Factor. The energy unit dropdown offers joules, electron volts, kilojoules per mole, or kilocalories per mole. I'll use joules. Now for the input fields. We have energy difference, delta E, temperature, T, Boltzmann factor with values between 0 and 1, degeneracy ratio, G2 over G1, which defaults to 1, number of energy levels defaulting to 3 with a range from 2 to 10, level spacing, epsilon, state energy E, and state degeneracy G, which defaults to 1. After entering your values and clicking Calculate, the Results section displays multiple outputs, including the Boltzmann factor itself, population ratios, energy differences, temperature values, partition function results, occupancy probabilities, percentage distributions, and thermal energy values. Each output corresponds to the specific calculation mode and parameters you've selected. Find the link in the description below.